Piece of crap.
You told me piece of crap. How dare you say that to me? That's it. Go to the principal's office right now.
Well, if it isn't you, Dark Crazy Frog, why are you here this time?
I called his teacher a piece of crap.
Oh my god. Dark Crazy Frog. You know you're not supposed to call his teacher a piece of crap. That's it. You are suspended for 10 months. I'm calling the police to arrest you.
After the police came.
You're under arrest for calling his teacher a piece of crap, Dark Crazy Frog. You're going to the darkness jail cell and you will never escape it again. Come with me right now.
What do you think I will do next? To be continued on way.